know that when we are dealing with fixed overhead variances, there is a fixed overhead expenditure variance. A fixed overhead expenditure variance, and there is a fixed overhead volume variance. The fixed overhead volume variance can be split into a fixed overhead efficiency variance and a fixed overhead capacity variance. So in the exams, it is important to know this, that the capacity variance plus the efficiency variance should be equal to the fixed overhead volume variance. One of the things that becomes important in the exams is for us to know that standard hours is different from budgeted hours, and budgeted hours, of course, is different from actual hours. Now, when we want to calculate the fixed overhead efficiency variance, we saw just now, it is actual hours minus the actual hours minus the standard hours. The actual hours minus the standard hours will give us the fixed overhead efficiency variance or efficiency variance multiplied by the OAR, the overhead absorption rate per unit per hour, will give us the fixed overhead efficiency variance. Now, the fixed overhead capacity variance, we said the budgeted hours is different from the standard hours. The capacity variance is the difference between the budgeted hours minus the actual hours. The budgeted hours minus the actual hours will give us the capacity variance. Of course, we multiply by the overhead absorption rate per hour again to give us the fixed overhead capacity variance. Now, what is the difference then? What is the difference?
Ya mom sama tur ne ya mom sama tur li nga sekk ak baay sekk koog yaay moo tax ñu tuddee na la ci li ne ci leen ne ya mom sama tur ne ya mom sama tur fi nga jaar ak baay sekk koog yaay moo tax ñu tuddee na la ci li ne ci leen yee mag ñëw